the concrete cutter will be safely packaged to prevent damage during transportation and storage. First, loosen the fixing bolts on the carton protection frame. Remove the 8 fixing bolts on the left and right sides of the protection frame. Then remove the protection frame and carton. Then remove the fixing wires at the front and rear of the cutting machine base. Take off the attached accessories on the lifting points and frame. The machine's attached accessories are as shown in the video. Rotate the knob to adjust the armrest to a suitable position and tighten it. Install the saw blade. First, unscrew the fixing bolt. Then remove the saw blade protective cover. Adjust the height of the saw blade. Pull out the fixing bolt. Turn the lifting handle counterclockwise to raise the saw blade. Turn clockwise to lower the saw blade. After adjusting to the appropriate installation position, use a tool to unscrew the fixing nut clockwise. When installing the saw blade, align the mounting hole on the saw blade with the machine's mounting position as shown in the video. Then install the saw blade and put back the chuck, flat washer and spring washer in order. Then tighten the nut counterclockwise to fix. Put back the saw blade protective cover. Then tighten the fixing bolt to fix the protective cover. Add water to the water tank. You can directly unscrew the water tank cap to add water. You can also remove the strap fixing the water tank. Take off the water tank backward and add water. Water valve switch. Turn down to open the switch. Turn up to close the switch. Install the water pipe. Connect the water pipe to the connection of the saw blade protective cover and tighten it with a tool to prevent water leakage. Add engine oil. The cutting machine has 2 oil fill ports at the front and rear. Choose one end to unscrew the oil dipstick and prepare to add 4-stroke engine oil. Oil selection: 5W304 winter, 10W40 for summer. Add 1.1 olive oil with a tool. Put back the oil dipstick after adding. Unscrew the fuel tank cap and add gasoline to the fuel tank. Fuel type: regular unleaded gasoline. Close the engine carburetor choke valve. Turn the fuel switch to the on position. Turn the engine on-off switch to on position. Note: before starting, be sure to keep a safe distance from the saw blade. To start, first pull gently to resistance, then pull forcefully to start. This 2-step process prevents kickback from sudden full pulls. After starting the engine, immediately open the choke valve on the carburetor. After cold start, let the cutter idle for about 30 seconds to warm up. Note: after the machine is started, the saw blade is in a high-speed running state. Be sure to keep a safe distance from the saw blade during operation. Open the water valve, switch to spray water on the saw blade to cool it and prevent overheating damage. It can also suppress dust, improve the working environment, and make the operation safer, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. During operation, if no water flows out, stop operation immediately and refill the water tank. Lower the guide wheel. During cutting, the guide wheel can help the operator maintain the straight cutting accuracy of the equipment. After the machine is ready, open the throttle switch to about half position. Rotate the rocker to adjust to the working depth and start cutting. This machine is a construction machine specially used for cutting hard materials such as concrete, reinforced concrete and asphalt. It realizes precise separation, transformation, or repair of hard structures through a high-speed rotating saw blade. It is widely used in construction, decoration, transformation, emergency rescue, and other scenarios. Shut down the machine. First, close the throttle switch. Then turn the on-off switch to OFF position. Turn the fuel switch to the OFF position. Close the engine carburetor choke valve. If emergency stop is needed, just press the emergency stop switch.